They not like us. They not like us. Man, let's get into it, you guys. Come on in. This recording today is going to be very interesting. Um, as you can see on the screen, that's a photo, a group photo at the Kendrick Lamar concert last night. And on the stage, you see male, female, all type of people there, but it's significant because it's Pyrus, it's Bloods, it's Crips, it's all type of affiliates there on the stage. That the odds of this even happening is 1 in a million. So first off, let me just give props to Kendrick Lamar. I mean, this is amazing. Now, for the record, I'm not from LA. I'm from the San Francisco Bay Area. My hometown is East Palo Alto. But I understand hood politics, and I understand it very, very well. And things like this coming together, and he said it to himself. He said it on stage. He said, "I'm emotional because for years and decades, uh, this type of culture been at odds with each other, Crips and Bloods, and all over the country. And what's so significant about this is that this rapper, this is no disperse to Drake or anything like that. He said he had no culture. I know somebody else that bangs, and he started naming other Bloods, allegedly Bloods, and look what Kendrick Lamar did. This is something that interesting that if you're listening, that I don't know sure if Drake can even mimic something like this. This is so significant for the culture or for the black community that is shockwaves through the whole world. Now, just giving my opinion on this music beef between Drake and Kendrick that started this concert, that entered it and went to this concert was, I think Kendrick Lamar beat him in every facets of the game. I'm not saying that Drake's music wasn't excellent. I think it was excellent. But I think from a lyrical standpoint, the different diversity of where he went, the depth of where he went, all the things that make you an MC, Kendrick Lamar mastered that in his display of work against Drake. Um, and calling out cultural nuances. He say, "You come to our community to mimic our culture." See right here, the world want to be this. This photo right here, everybody in the world want to mimic Black American people. That right here. If you see this photo, you're seeing what people want to be. So let me start breaking some of this down. When people say, you know, hip hop is ran by music companies and all that. No, 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 no. Hip hop is right here. Hip hop is gonna always be a genre ran and operated by black Americans who created it. There's no denying that. Hip hop, the culture, will never ever be ran by any other community. Now, if you're talking about the rap industry, that's different. Those are business contracts, and those are individuals from the Universals and all these individuals from Def Jams and all those things. I'm not talking about that. That's a rap industry. That's a business genre, and anything like tech or anything like construction or something like that. No, that's two different things. What you're seeing on this TV screen, on the screen, is Black American hip hop culture. No one can mimic it because every one of these individuals on the stage possibly had a descendant. They are a descendant of American slave. So their attitude, their approach is completely different than any other genre, any other people on this planet. I know so because I'm one of them. So, in conclusion, this is one of the most outstanding hip hop performances in our lifetime. And for us that come from the streets, I salute you, Kendrick Lamar. Good work. Peace.